boom, boom, and boom. Hey everyone, TV Chef here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Fire TV remote control if only the power button is working. If that's what you're struggling with, I have 3 possible solutions for you to try. Really quickly, I want to mention, if you like the TV you see here or you're interested in any other Fire TV products or TV sticks, I'll have some links in the video description. All right, it's time for a quick viewer intervention. Yes, I'm talking to you. No, don't look away. I'm talking to you right now. In the last 28 days, almost 40,000 of you have viewed the TV Chef channel, but only 98 of you have become a subscriber. So would you please consider clicking that subscribe button? Bonus points if you like, comment, and share our videos as well. If you don't like our videos, please give it a thumbs down, click that dislike button, and tell us why in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you either way. Also, bonus points for you if you want to share it with an ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, estranged sibling, spouse. You get the idea. We'd be grateful for that as well. First thing you have to try if just your power button works is to press the home button one time and see if that fixes your issue. If that doesn't fix your issue, go ahead, try our second option. Hold down the home button for around 10 seconds. So press and hold for 10 seconds and see if that fixes your issue. Lastly, if none of those are still working, go ahead, hold down the menu button, the back button, and the left arrow at the same time. So press and hold all 3 of those buttons, boom, boom, and boom, at the same time for around 30 seconds, and that should fix your issue. That's it. Go ahead, try those 3 simple steps, and let me know which one, if any, worked for you in the comment section.